Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. So this is ninth biology and the topic is Golgi apparatus. It is also called Golgi body or Golgi complex. It consists of a set of membrane bounded fluid vesicles, vacuoles and flattened cisternae, that is closed sacs. Cisternae are usually stacked together, that is placed one above the other in parallel rows. Golgi apparatus exists as an extensive network near the nucleus in animal cells. However, the plant cells contain many freely distributed subunits of Golgi apparatus called dictyosomes. Golgi apparatus is absent in bacteria, bilirubin, algae, matchwork sperms, and red blood cells of mammals and other animals. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus arises from the membrane of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which in turn originates from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then functions of Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. The main function of Golgi apparatus is secretory. Golgi apparatus acts as a weigh station or assembly area for the storage, processing and packaging of various cellular secretions. It packages materials synthesized in the cell and dispatches them either to intracellular targets such as plasma membrane and lysosomes or extracellular targets, for example zymogens. It produces vacuoles or secretory vesicles which contain cellular secretions, for example enzymes, proteins, cellulose, melanin pigment, lactoprotein of milk, etc. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosomes. Then another cell organelle is lysosome. So lysosomes are simple tiny spherical sac-like structures evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. Each lysosome is a small vesicle surrounded by a single membrane and contains powerful enzymes. These enzymes are capable of digesting or breaking down all organic materials. Functions of lysosomes. Lysosomes serve as intracellular digestive system, hence called digestive bags. They destroy any foreign material which enter the cell, such as bacteria and virus. In this way they protect the cells from bacterial infection. जो भी कोई foreign material चाहे बैक्टीरिया वायरस बॉडी में दाखिल होता है, सेल्स में दाखिल होता है, उसको वो ख़त्म करते हैं लाइसोसोम्स. इस तरह ये इनको कहते हैं डाइजेस्टिव बैग्स. ये प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं सेल्स को फ्रॉम बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन. Then second function is lysosomes also remove the worn out and poorly working cellular organelles by digesting them to make way for their new replacements. In this way they remove the cell debris and are also known as demolition squads, scavengers and cellular housekeepers. Thus lysosomes form a kind of garbage disposal system of the cell. जो भी वहाँ पर कोई poorly working cellular organelle होगा या कोई cell debris होगी उसको वो remove करते हैं. इस तरह से वो वहाँ पर सफाई करती हैं. एक बनाता है एक garbage disposal system cell का. Then another function is during breakdown of cell structure. जब cell breakdown होती है, when the cell gets damaged, जब cell damage हो जाती है, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cells. lysosomes burst होते हैं, जो वहाँ पर enzymes है वो अपनी ही cells खाते हैं. So therefore lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of a cell. इनको suicide bags of a cell भी कहते हैं because when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cells.